This is the Bob Cooper Help Survival Blanket. It could be the cheapest investment you make in your life in an emergency situation. Let's check it out.
Hit it.
Hey folks, Ben from Snowy's here today with a product that is really simple but could possibly save your life, and something that should probably form part of any first aid kit, whether that be at home in your four-wheel drive or even part of, say, a bushfire survival kit, so that you've got something like this that could get you out of trouble. It's called the Bob Cooper Help Survival Blanket. Now it comes packed up like this in a bag. It weighs about 70 grams, so it's nice and compact. And it's a bit like your standard silver survival blankets, but it's got a few extra features. Now this satisfies the three priorities you need for survival, and that is warmth, shelter, and it's also a distress signal. Plus you can also use it for first aid. I'm going to show you what it looks like. We'll rip the packet open, lay it out, and we'll show you all the features. So it's nice lightweight material. You can see it's silver on one side and it's yellow and black on the other. Now I'll lay this out shortly so you can see, well, you can see it right there. It's got a big help on it. So there's our survival signal. The other side, you've got a silvery blanket, so you can use that to signal for help as well. Measures about 2 meters in length and about 1.3 meters in width. I'll lay it down on the ground because there's a whole bunch of other features on here that could help you in a survival situation. So we could lay this on the top of a vehicle if our vehicle is broken down in the outback, or even just on the ground, weighed down with rocks, so that we've got this big help signal for anyone passing by above us. We could put it on the side of a vehicle so it can be seen from distance, or as I mentioned, turn it over on the other side so you can use it to signal or reflect light to get attention. So on top of the words help at the top here, there is a whole host of information on the bottom of a mat here that's included. Now this is how to stay safe, or how to what to do in a survival situation, including how to maintain drinking water or maintaining hydration, how you might use it as a shelter, whether it's for shade or reflective heat, wrapping it around yourself or lying down to maintain body warmth, making an actual shelter with it, how you might be able to secure it to a vehicle or boat or to yourself for emergency signals. You can use it as a stretcher if you like, a night signal, day signal to reflect that light. And then there's even a heap of information here on using the sun, stars, and the moon for direction finding, as well as a heap of first aid information here, and a whole host of emergency contact numbers within Australia. So this blanket is a really simple and lightweight plus affordable addition to any survival or first aid kit, whether you're heading out into the outback, or even if it's just in your kit at home for an emergency situation that could get you out of trouble and save your life. It could be some of the best money you've ever spent, but hopefully you never have to use it. You can grab these online at snowys.com.au at our lowest prices every day. If you thought that video was useful, subscribe to our channel. You'll find all of our latest and greatest info. Got any questions about this or any of the products on our website? Let us know down in the comments below, or check out some of our other videos like this one down here.